Hello friends, I am Saurabh Bhatnagar and I am going to start this Python tutorial for beginners. This course does not require any prior knowledge of programming, and this course is specifically designed for beginners and for CBSE class 11th and 12th students. So let's start the course with detailed syllabus and curriculum for class 11th and 12th computer science students. Friends, you can download the syllabus from the CBSE academic site. The address of the site is given below, and you can download the file from the CBSE site itself. Now let's start the Python. About the Python, as you all know, is a programming language and is developed by Guido van Rossum in Feb 1991. Python is based on or influenced with two programming languages, ABC language and Modula 3. Now let's discuss features of Python that makes Python more important. Let's start with the features of Python. The first feature is Python is a easy to use language. Python is expressive language, means it is more capable to express the code's purpose than many other languages. Reason being fewer lines of code, simpler syntax. Python is an interpreted language, means it executes the program line by line instead of complete execution of code. Python is a cross-platform language, means you can run Python application, Python language on any operating system like Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac, smartphone, and etc. And that makes Python a cross-platform language. Or in other words, you can say Python is portable language. Python is free and open source language, means you can download this Python language totally free from python.org, and you can download the source code as well. The open source language allows you to make changes in the source code, so you are free to make changes in the Python code and share the updated code with your friends and colleagues also. Now that you all are excited about Python, you will want to examine it in some more details, since the best way to learn a language is to use it. The tutorial invites you to play with the Python interpreter as you read. So let's start the session with the first information, that is the downloading and installation of Python. To download and install Python onto your machine, first open any browser application like Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox and type the address python.org/downloads. Here you will get a list of all the Python releases. It's always good to download the latest one, but you are free to download any version. I am downloading Python 3.8.2. So simply click on the download Python 3.8.2 button. It will start the download process and it will take a minute or two, depends on your internet speed. After downloading the file, now click on downloaded file to install Python onto your machine. In this first screen, always remember to check the checkbox Add Python 3.82 path. It will automatically add the Python files with your system path. But if you forget, you need not to worry, because we can set it later also. And then click on Customize Installation. On the next screen, leave it with all defaults and click Next. Here, check the checkbox Install for all users and change the install location with Python 38. Finally, click on Install button and it will start the installation process. It also takes a minute or two. Now the installation get completed and we are ready to use Python onto our machine. So close the setup dialog box, move to search box and type Python. and search for Python idle 32-bit. Click on it and your Python application is ready to work. That's all for this installation video. Thank you.